Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your address on Shop app. Now, you can do this in two ways. You can do it like what I'm doing right now, which is on the desktop on your computer or laptop, or you can do it via mobile on your phone on the app. But as we speak right now, the app itself is a bit scuffed. I've been trying different things for a couple of days now, and it's not working. I mean, you can still shop, but certain things are not working at the moment. But I just found out that if you do it via the desktop, the shop.app website, that it works. So how do you change your address? So as you can see here, we are in shop.app, and there's going to be, if you're not signed in, there's going to be a sign in option here. Very easy. I don't need to really explain anything to you. It's pretty much the same as any other website. And what you need to do next is go to the T on the upper right corner of the screen right here. This is your icon. It's beside your favorites and your shopping cart. So if you click the profile or the T for this instance, a pop will appear. It's going to say settings or sign out. So of course we want to click settings. It's going to open another tab on your PC. So here it's going to be your account, and as you can see here, this is going to be my email and my phone number, which is blurred out, and under it's going to be addresses, cart, login, security, help. So what you want to do is click on address like this, and it's going to show you the address that we have currently right now. Now, how do you change it? It's very easy, very easy. All you need to do is click on the three dots here, and you're going to see either delete, which is the red icon, or the edit, which is the blue icon. So click on the blue icon like this, and you're going to see the standard address interface for any website. So all you need to do is just change the settings here. As you can see, it's blurred out because I don't want to show my information, but all you need to do is change certain things up, and then click on save changes like this, and you're good to go. Or if you want, you can just delete that address and add a new one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.